Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi and you are welcome in my math segment. So today we will be starting with Intermediate Level 2 Chapter 1, which is multiplication but with a base level. So today we will learn how to do a base multiplication. So let's see.
Base level multiplication. In this part of base level multiplication, let's see what and how to do the base level multiplication in steps, and in the next part let's actually solve the number. So let's go with the first part. This system is called base level method because in this system we use the certain numbers as base. This base can be any numbers, but generally we use the powers of 10. It includes numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. How to use all the bases? We select a particular base upon seeing the number. Suppose the numbers are 97 and 99 and we are asked to multiply these two numbers. In this case, the appropriate base would be 100 as these two numbers are very close to 100. So, we get to know from this example that the base we choose should be very close to the number we are multiplying. Let us have a look at 4 important steps which are necessary for doing this multiplication. Step 1. Find the base and the difference. Step 2. Number of digits in RHS, that is right hand side, is equal to number of zeros in the base. Step 3. Multiply the differences on the right hand side. And the last, step 4. Put the cross answer on LHS. This was part 1. In this part, we learned that what are the steps which are necessary for doing a base level multiplication. In next part, we will see how to actually do a base level multiplication in methods. Stay tuned.
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.